thought I saw a putty cat.
I am a little tiny bird, my name is Tweety Pie. I live inside my bird cage, hanging way up high. I like to swing upon my perch and sing my little song. But there's a cat that's after me and won't let me alone. I thought I saw a putty cat a-tweeping upon me. I did, I saw a putty cat as plain as he could be.
I am that
I
great big
did
rattle.
saw a putty cat.
As far as my